So today we are making jack-o'-lanterns out of half-gallon soy milk and almond milk containers. Pretty exciting, right? So anyways, what you need to do is you need to get your half gallons of your soy milk or your almond milk, and you need to drink it, of course. Don't waste it, drink it please. And then you need to rinse it out, and then you're just going to put a small slice down the outside of the box, not cutting all the way through, and then you're going to peel off all the paper like you can see in the video right now. So then after you do that, you're going to need to make your design. So this part took a minute. I basically measured the box that I'm using, which is a soy milk container right here. Boom. You guys just saw me strip that of all the stuff from the outside. I measured this, got the exact dimensions of it, and then I put it into Cricut Design Space as a white rectangle there. And then I found my designs. So anyways, I put both of these on here to make sure that they're the correct size, because that would really be terrible if you print it up and they're the wrong size. But I'm not doing vinyls today, I'm doing paper, so this will be interesting. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one pumpkin design, but it's going to have both faces. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. It's going to be really interesting, so stick around. Okay guys, so now we're going to make the pumpkin things. So we have the design right here in Cricut's Design Space. Measured it out so that I knew exactly how much I would need, and that's the piece of paper I'll need. I'll have a little bit extra on the side, and that's just fine. So line up the paper like always. Make sure it's pressed down, and I always like to use the little pizza roller, like I always say. I know it's not the pizza roller, but I just like to call it the pizza roller because I think it's fun. So either way, anyways, that helps it to make sure it's pushed all the way down, which is always just really good because you don't want your paper to, or the cutter to go down to push it to cut, and it pushes the whole paper. My wife was actually just telling me that happened here yesterday, so I just cringed. I was like, oh no, I'm sorry, I should have told you about the roller. So anyways, so that is set and ready, and now we are going to do this. So this is medium cardstock, so we're going to pick the medium cardstock. There we go. Don't know why my camera is not focusing, I apologize. Oh, I don't know. Anyways, for the medium cardstock, I usually like to do more pressure. And done, and then you just go over to your Cricut and it's ready. So let's move over there. Alrighty, and we're ready. So I made sure my cutting blade was clean, and this is ready to go in. Make sure it's underneath the little feet right there, or it's gonna get all messed up. And load that in. Again, I like to put a little bit of pressure this way while it's loading in so that it sucks it in how it's supposed to. It's not that much off, and then the whole machine's messed up and it's cutting your stuff over there instead of over there. Anyway. Okay, y'all, please don't get too mad. I thought I was recording, but really my battery died on my phone when I was recording, or thought I was recording, on how I assembled it. Basically, it's very simple. You just put glue all over the soy milk box while you lay your tissue paper over it, evening it out every single time. Then you let that dry for a couple minutes, and then you just glue on the faces how you want them to be on the actual tissue paper. And with the sleeving up and down, I just waited for everything to dry. I made sure that the sleeve part of the box was just barely bigger than the other one, which I just opened it up all the way, ripped the seal where they sealed the two pieces of cardboard together, and then that made it to where it was big enough to where I wouldn't have to worry about it being too small. Then I had to put new creases next to the original creases on the box to where I wanted it to stay. Then I literally just used packing tape to seal the ends that were supposed to be attached, but I unattached them to make the box a little bit bigger, so I would be able to use it as a sleeve over the other box. Then I just glued the other face on, let it all dry completely, because if I didn't let it dry it would stick on it and that wouldn't be good. And then it made it to where it was a sleeve on top and we were all set. So then what you do is you slide this up and you spin it, you can see the other one. Or you can put them both the same. Whoops. The same like that, and then you can push it down. One problem with that is you can still kind of see the face behind it, just a little bit, but then you can be like, boom, kind of cool. These are the other ones that actually my wife made those ones. I'm very proud of her. She did a wonderful job, and she's awesome. Please like and subscribe for more. And how about this, guys? Let's do a little contest here and see which jack-o'-lantern is the best one out of here. I vote, well, I'll share my vote with you later if I get 10 comments. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and please, like I said, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment for your favorite jack-o'-lantern down below. Have a great day, guys, and keep on cricketing.